How to get working Applebee's promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Applebee's promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Applebee's. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. 20% off, $25 off, $10 off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So here's the code, you can copy it, then click on redeem at Applebee's. You'll be directed to the official website of Applebee's. Then you have to log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find this section of promo code. Paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Also, you can try out other offers. Here you're going to find tons of offers. The process is same. Likewise, also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide a working promo code for Applebee's. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily get working Applebee's promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.